Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. If you are looking for the perfect tool to manage projects, streamline workflow, and boost your efficiency, you have come to the right place because in today's video, we are diving into a battle of the productivity titans. Airtable versus Smartsheet. Now, both Airtable and Smartsheet offer powerful features for organizing work and managing tasks. But the question is, which one will take the crown for your needs? So stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear idea of which platform is the ultimate fit for your team or personal projects. So let's get started. Now, Airtable is a cloud-based platform that combines the functionality of a spreadsheet and database, enabling users to store, organize, and manage data in a highly flexible and collaborative way. If you are a fan of our channel, you know that we have so many Airtable topics that we have already covered that you might want to check out here. And if you haven't already, you might want to click the subscribe button so you'll get notifications of our latest content, and we are here to help you solve your problems quickly. But I'm going to run down a very quick overview of what Airtable can offer. Signing up here in Airtable is a breeze. All you have to do is click this button right here. You can use your accounts, especially if you're working with Google. You might want to click that or sign in with your personal email. Now, once you are logged into your Airtable account, you have the option to create your kind of custom workflows, track projects, and manage databases without needing extensive knowledge by clicking the Create Plus button on the bottom right corner. Now, don't worry because you don't need any technical expertise or knowledge. Just click on the Start from Scratch, and from here, you should be able to create a simple database, which we can rename and choose the different color. We can be creative on the dashboard of your base here. You have the key features here in Airtable wherein the tables and views is stored similarly to spreadsheets but with more customization. Users can create different views such as grid, calendar, gallery, Kanban, timeline, list, Gantt to visualize the data in various ways. Unlike traditional spreadsheets, Airtables allows users to link records between tables when you use this share and sync, making it useful for managing more complex data sets. And of course, in terms of the collaboration, Airtable supports real-time collaboration because multiple users can work on the same database at once, add comments, and of course, update records. They also have an easy feature for integrations. It integrates well with various tools, like the popular tools like Slack, Google Workspace, and Zapier, making it easier to automate workflows. And of course, you have the customizable fields wherein you can put in text, numbers, attachments, checkboxes, dates, and more, making Airtable very flexible for different types of projects. On the other hand though, now, Smartsheet is a cloud-based work management and automation platform designed to help teams and organizations plan, track, and manage projects, workflows, and tasks. It combines the functionalities of spreadsheet with project management tools, offering a flexible and collaborative environment for managing work. Now, all you have to do is click this option right here to try Smartsheet for free. And all I have to do is just click on continue, right? Now, Smartsheet offers a spreadsheet interface like this one. It uses a grid interface similar to traditional spreadsheets, but the grid view can be changed to Gantt, into card view, and of course into calendar view. All right. Now, Smartsheet offers project management features such as the Gantt chart, which is very useful. Which it offers task dependencies, milestones, and critical path analysis to help teams plan and project tasks effectively. In the share button on the upper right corner, teams can collaborate in real time within the Smartsheet. Users can leave comments, attach files, and tag team members directly within the task or sheets. Similarly, it has the automation platform. If you go on this, go to the work apps. Now, in terms of the integration, Smartsheet offers various third-party tools and services like this one, Zapier, Microsoft Office 365, Google Workspace, Salesforce, and Jira, enhancing its functionality and connectivity with other systems. And while you're here, you can also create forms to collect data and feedback, which can be directly integrated into the Smartsheet sheets for further processing. All right. Not only that, Smartsheet provides granular permission settings, allowing users to control who can view, edit, or share sheets and workspaces. Now, the question is, if you need a customizable database with flexible data management and various visualizations, or your focus is managing and relating data across different tables and views, I believe that Airtable is best for you. But if you need a comprehensive management tool with a detailed planning feature such as Gantt charts and resource management, or your primary goal is to manage and track projects with a focus on advanced project planning and team collaboration, I believe that Smartsheet is the best choice. Ultimately, the aspects of project management or data organizations are the most important for your needs. That could help determine the better fit, especially with your goals and budget, because Smartsheet has all these pricing tier plans for you. You can start for free, and the pro subscription starts $9 per month. The next is going to be the business, which is $9 per member per month. And they also have the enterprise and advanced work management. And compared to the Airtable, they have the pricing starts at free again for the individual with small teams. And if you wanted to scale up, the most popular is the team plan, which is $20 per seat or per month. Their business is going to be around $45, and the enterprise scale starts with the certain amount, but you have to contact the sales professionals. And again, I would highly suggest to go to their respective websites to get more information. It really pays to check, which is teams or individuals who need a flexible database-like tool for managing complex data with customizable views. Check some information for Airtable, because Smartsheet needs advanced project management features, but it has a robust planning tools like resource management and detailed task tracking, ideal for managing complex projects and workflows. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.